compensate probably with some old rocks.
Those are the pavers. Those are the pavers. Those are some rocks. And then he got some sand, which I put in a previous video when we were at Home Depot. The price of sand is outrageous. It's sand, for goodness sakes. And these are the pavers. Getting the sand. He's put the pavers down. He's adding some more rock, and it is giving a spa-like all day long. Y'all check that out. Y'all look. Husband still has some things to do, but this is his vision, giving us a spa-like outdoor shower. And eventually we're gonna have different, it'll be different in here on the sides and stuff, but little bits at a time, y'all. I'm so thankful that I have such a handy husband. Very creative.
If anybody gonna hit on that, they can suck my dick.
Oh, I'm already recording, honey.
I said what I said.
You just said you was proud of it.
I did that shit from scratch by fucking goddamn from brain pop.
And it looks
shit down.
And it looks amazing. Ooh, I can't wait for our shower today. I keep telling my husband it's enough for 2 people, but you know.